Welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this video I want to show you how to draw your words with rainbow colors. And that's not that hard, so here's what you need. First of all, of course, your bullet journal. I use the Scribbles that matter, whatever you have is just fine. Then, of course, the Micron Fineliner, a Sharpie in white here, and the Frixion Highlighter. So let's get started. So first of all, I thought I write October with my pencil, but then I realized it's a kind of stupid idea, because then I cannot rub off the pencils, the lines, and that would result in me not having such a nice font writing there. So I switched to the Frixion Highlighter, but I didn't want to edit that because I'm sure you might have the same idea, because you don't want to mess up with your bullet journal. So I use my Frixion Highlighter now, and then you see me writing one half with blue and one with the pink, and you can of course use other colors, it doesn't matter. It's just that you always have to get off the pencil, and then you use your finger or maybe a brush, and then you smudge it into each other, and that is what makes these rainbow colors, and it really works. And once you have done that, you start adding the shadows. Everything which runs to the right gets a shadow, and just pretend the light is coming from top left and it's shining there, so that is where all the shadows need to go. And once you have finished with that, use your Sharpie and then add some strokes and also some dots for the highlights on the other half. And basically that's it. Yes, it's that easy, and that's already the little tutorial I have for you today. So I hope you enjoyed it, although it was just such a small one. And if so, please give us a thumb up and maybe leave a comment. Let me know which word you have tried in rainbow colors, and maybe also subscribe to our channel, and click the little bell if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video. So looking forward to having you back next time. Until then, bye.